Hi everyone, Tatiana from the Greenbird Bead Company is here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a very nice, attractive, summerish looking charm for your cell phone. So go to your local bead store and grab some beads. You will need plastic beads, rubber beads, consider taking cotton pearls, something that won't break your cell phone's screen. So once you've prepared lightweight, safe beads, grab Flex-Rite wire. I'm going to use this one with 49 strands. I've prepared some plastic beads. I'm going to show you. I found this very lovely, awesome beads for kids craft. They have rubber, they have letters, so everything I need. And no bead stringing I am going to do without the help of my lovely helper, which is called the bead board. Meet the bead board, it's the thing that helps me create design before I even start stringing it. So how do we work with this? I'm going to put all the beads I want to use in my project here and see if I like the design. I can switch, I can put it here, I can put it here. I can remove something, I can add something. I decided to add some metal beads. These beads are made of metal, but since they are quite small, they won't break my cell phone screen, so it's okay, it's kind of safe to use them in my project. So this is the design I've created. Isn't it gorgeous? I just like it. I just adore the summerish feeling, the childish feeling. My inner girl, she sings out loud and she's very happy with what I'm doing right now. You can see it on my face, right? So we are going to take this Flex-Rite wire and don't cut it off the spool yet. Just take a tail and start stringing your beads. Just like this. Go through all your beads. And while I'm doing this, subscribe to our channel and don't forget about the like. There are going to be a lot of more nice, funny and interesting tutorials in the future, so stay with me, stay with us, stay tuned for new videos. So now I have all my beads strung. We are ready to finish our charm. Go and grab this finding for cell phone straps or cell phone charms. Take some crimps, 2 exactly, crimp cover and wire protector. So this is what we need to finish our charm. First, take your wire and pass through the crimp, then wire protector, then go back, and then attach it to the finding like this. Now go back through the crimp bead once again, here, pull. I'm going to use my favorite tool called Magical Crimper. It has this round thing on its ends, so we insert our crimp here and squeeze. Now open the tool, turn 90 degrees and again squeeze. Again, open, turn, squeeze. Do it several times. So you see your tube crimp became a round, neat round bead. I like to make a final squeeze like this, just to make sure everything's secure. Let's check. Yes, perfect. And now we're going to take a side cutter and make a cut. So we attached one end of the Flex-Rite wire to the charm finding, and we are going to do absolutely the same thing from the opposite end. Just take it, make a cut, leave a tail approximately a couple of inches, and again a crimp, wire protector, go back, and after that back through the crimp here. Pull everything tightly, but not too tight, and secure the cream just like we did it before. See, after the first squeeze, it started to look like a pillow. So we turn this 90 degrees and squeeze again. And repeat this several times, like turn and squeeze, turn, squeeze, make a final squeeze, just to make sure everything is secure. Yes, perfect. And a cut. Because this bead is very tiny, I decided to add a crimp cover on it. So the crimp cover is the finding that looks like Pac-Man. We just put it on top of the crimp. Here, and squeeze it with pliers or with crimper, as you wish. Form a neat bead around it. It looks like this now. Much nicer, right? So our charm is ready, is already ready. So we are going to use this right now. I'm going to take my phone cover. It has special holes for this type of charms. So I'm going to go here, back through the second hole, pull my beads through this loop, like this. I'm loving it. I'm so in love with my new charm, really. So there you go. Make one for the ones you love. You can add their name or some wish to them, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like this tutorial. There are going to be more in the future, and like and leave something in comments if you like this video. Maybe you have something to add to it. I'm really waiting for your comments. So bye, see you soon.